All right, guys, let's talk about SAFEMOON. And things are just a little bit crazy. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today is another bloody day for SAFEMOON, down 50% on the day. But hey, we've been preparing for this for around the last 6 weeks when we first started talking about SAFEMOON and these hype coin projects. You know, we've been taking profits along the way, so it's all good. But today I just wanted to clear up what exactly is happening today, because we've seen a little bit of a double bottom or a double top here, where, you know, we had that FUD news come out on about SAFEMOON from War on Rugs here. They basically said that the owner of SAFEMOON has the ability to pull the rug on everyone. In short, that just means they could sell off 50% of the liquidity, in turn crashing the price of the coin and taking away the ability for people to actually sell and get out themselves, which is referred to as a rug pull. This got everyone super scared and the price absolutely plummeted. On top of that, this website that we've been using, poocoin.app, has this caution: SAFEMOON has been flagged as a rug by War on Rugs. I feel like this is an unfair announcement to put on something like this without anyone actually pulling a rug. War on Rugs is basically accusing them of having the ability of pulling the rug, which they do have the ability. So that is something that they've said they're going to clear up right now. Hopefully they do it. As always, I'm not a financial advisor and I have no affiliation with SAFEMOON whatsoever. They don't pay me, I'm not on the team, nothing like that. So I can only see exactly what you guys can see, and in my uneducated opinion, it doesn't seem like SAFEMOON is planning to pull the rug. They've achieved so much in the last month and a half that it just seems ridiculous if they were to do that. They could have pulled the rug at any point before and got away with money without people knowing who they were and all of that sort of stuff. So it doesn't really make sense to me. But hey, what do I know? It's nothing. I don't know anything. They could still turn out to be scam artists. I don't think they are, but hey, I'm just saying that because I don't want any of you guys to think that I'm shilling the coin, because I actually don't know for sure. But anyway, so that news came out yesterday. We saw a massive plunge. People started buying at this point and we thought we were out of the woods, and then again here we see another crash. And basically what happened was, last night they had an Ask Me Anything. They had an AMA session with a few of the team members, and it came across as very, very unprofessional. It was basically not in the setting that you would want and that most investors and holders would have wanted. It was, people were coming in and out of the video. They were answering the questions, but in a very chilled manner. Nothing was really taken very seriously. And I think this spooked a lot of holders. And again, it crashed back down to about the bottom we saw just on the last crash. And, you know, we are building up a little bit here, but I think people are starting to be a little bit worried that maybe they're not as professional as they've come across in the past, and maybe that they're not taking this as seriously as the current holders would like. But hey, I still have faith in the company. I'm still holding the shares that I have. But what I wanted from this was quickly to give you an update as to why we're seeing this drop again. That's because, in my opinion, of the unprofessional AMA. But the reason why I'm not worried, and as you guys know if you follow this channel, is because I always take my profits. I am in 100% profit right now. The money that I have left in SAFEMOON is just a small fraction of my profits. I got in around here, you know, even early, much earlier than that, sorry. We got in around here when we first made the first videos, and I take profits when I see around 100% move. I take out my initial investment and then I take out some more profits along here. So we're just riding this wave now. So I get a lot of questions asking how exactly I take profits. And then another question is also, why does my amount of USD value go so far down when I sell? Now, I'm going to answer both of those. I'll go quickly and go through why the price that you expect is different to actually what you get when you sell. Now, this is because you're probably getting the price of SAFEMOON from places that don't have the direct real price. Now, this price 512 is based on overall price on the market. Now, I'm not sure exactly where they get it from, but because SAFEMOON is listed on all of these exchanges and it has different prices on each one. Now, it seems this price is coming from around about these exchanges. They're not actually getting the price from PancakeSwap, and that is where most of you guys have bought it. And remember, the price is based on BNB, which is then priced on USD. So if the price of BNB changes, the amount of BNB that SafeMoon is worth also changes. So this is a number that continually changes. So the best way for you to see the direct price that you have of your SafeMoon quickly, if it's on PancakeSwap, is go here, set BUSD, put that in, and then put in the amount of SafeMoon that you have, and it will come up exactly how much you have in BUSD. So that is the stable coin. Let's say, there you go, that's $4,000 worth of SafeMoon, and that's what you can expect to get. But remember, because of the tokenomics, you're going to get 10% less than that, because every transaction is charged 10%. So that's the best way to see it there. You can then also do the same thing for just simply BNB, so you can see how much BNB your SafeMoon is worth. And just quickly touching on the way I take profits, that's another question that a lot of people ask me is, let's say right at the start I bought 100 million SafeMoon coins, and when that price moved, let's say 10x, because it's moved over 120x, but let's say it moved 10x, I then sold 10% of my position, because that 10% is now my initial investment. It's the same amount of money I initially put into the trade. I would still have that much left of SafeMoon, which in this example would be 90 million coins, but those 90 million coins would be completely free because I've taken out my initial investment. Now this obviously only works in this example if we went up 10x, but also normally what I would do is I would take my initial investment out once we've gone up 2x, so 100%. So let's just quickly go through how that would look. What I'll do is I wait for a 100% move, and then I sell half of my position. That way I get all of my initial investment out and there is no risk left for me. So let's say we bought 1 million SafeMoon coins right at the start, which was worth 0.0 BNB, yeah, and that price went up 100%. So this price here would double. What I would do is I would simply sell half of my SafeMoon. There we go. And that would give me the same price as what I put in. Once I've sold that out, I still have 500,000 of my SafeMoon coins, and I can let that ride for as long as I want, and the profit is all mine and there is zero risk. That is how I see it. And then quickly, with that in mind, we can see that again here. We buy in here, we wait for a 100% move, which is around here, we sell half of our position, and then we let the profits ride. Now, the good thing about SafeMoon was we continued to ride. So yes, if you're wondering, would you have made more money if you didn't sell any profits? Yes, in the example of SafeMoon, yes, you would have made more money if you didn't sell. But the thing is, not everything acts like SafeMoon at the start. You may have got into SafeMoon here, and then following a similar game plan to me, and bearing in mind, we don't always need to wait for a 100% move. We could wait for a 50% move. You then waited for a 50% move, which took you up to here. You then sold your initial investment, it continued to ride a bit, and now it's completely crashed down. But for you, only your profits are what crashed, not your initial investment. So you have protected your net worth and you have protected all of your personal wealth. So you are far better off than anyone who held up here. Hopefully that clears that up for you. That was just a quick look into how I trade these hype coins. Now do keep in mind that this is a completely different style of trading than what I normally use in my long-term portfolios, both in crypto and stocks and shares. So if you are interested about learning about that sort of stuff, then do consider smashing that subscribe button. And remember to leave me questions down in the comment section, because I do check each and every one of you. If I provided you with a little bit of value in this video, consider smashing that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.